So we're going to have fun here just walking around showing off some of the technology we're seeing at the Digital Science Show 2023. And I'm also going to do footage here of what it looks like to, follow, oh no, that's my camera shot. I follow behind with Colisio while he's doing advertising on the back of the backpack. So that company, FPL Displays, has come up with a pretty cool product. It's very, very simple, but it's effective. So I've watched him walking around here with people stopping, going, wow, cool, taking pictures of that. So we're going to get some footage here during the event of people stopping and going, wow. So all I got to do is I got to follow him long enough till he's walking along. Someone's like, whoa, check it out. Huh. While we're waiting, what we're going to do is we'll show off this as well. Check this out. This is the Clear LED booth this year. They've done a great job on the setup. Oh, that's pretty cool. Hey, Colisio, do you want to go over to the LDI side of things? Oh, Colisio doesn't know he's in the call with me. Oh, that's hilarious, guys. Okay, so we'll stop recording at that. We'll do some footage of him walking around with the LED. Thanks, guys.